Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to send notifications which event is triggered in Magento to the Telegram. So we have three features whether you want to send into Telegram, Slack or email. So these three adapters we are going to use how to send custom triggered events to the Telegram so that you can notify which events is triggered, or you can modify which kind of data which user has done this. So all these kind of manipulations you can done, but I have created such like you can say a simple structure but not advanced, like which event is triggered and what it is written. So let's have a quick review what exactly it is. So um, so if uh, so here we need to go to the system. Where is system? Where is content marketing? We are on the same. So here we need to configure the channels. So here we have. So here we need to configure the channel name and observe events. You have to configure it, and after that we have to configure the channels, which channels you want to use. So you can add the channel here whether you want to Slack, Telegram, and email. So concretely I'm using Telegram. So if I go and see the settings, configure channels, I have already configured this. I'm just going to edit it, right? Telegram. So here I am using my chat ID and the token. Okay, so whatever event I am just checking out and everything, just I need to run the cron job over here. So currently if I go to my Telegram, so this is my Telegram where it is. So this is Telegram. Currently, these kinds of event hit it at 10:18. Okay, if I run the cron job again, so let's try to edit any of the catalog products. So I'm going to catalog products. So here I'm going to edit any of the product. Okay, save it, and I'm going to just run the cron. Let me do the logout, sign out, admin. Let me check system. Configure events, stores. Save this event. Let me system and cache management. So we have to check whether there is no issue in the on. So it is run. Store system, figure events, catalog products, edit. So I will edit this one product, save it. Going to run the cron job. We have three notifications triggered. Catalog product edit section. You can see whatever event I am triggering, it will, because this action I am hitting on. So you can get this action whether you want to edit, order place or anything. So every time you will get to know about which event is triggered on the, and you will get the notifications, whether you want to put in on Slack, email and Telegram. So these three adapters that we are using to send the notifications of every event that is happening in Magento, right? So you can whether you can save it, whether you can send it to the notifications to the Telegram and Slack or email. So you can configure it like this way. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.